What's good, people? It's your boy Big Dre. Welcome back to the Crypto Jugging channel, where we discuss cryptocurrencies, investments, how to make money online, and we also do some football training here and there. Now, in this video, we're going to be talking about cryptocurrencies. So now, as you guys can see very, very clearly, I'm holding the mic in my hand. Obviously, I've been getting complaints that you lot can't hear me when I'm talking. I figured, let me take the advice that you lot have been giving me. I've changed the background music and I'm holding the mic now, so you should hear man clear as day. Before we get into this video, make sure you click the like button down below. Subscribe. I might put it on that side still. Subscribe. I might let it put it up. Anyway, subscribe and turn the notification bell so you know whenever I release a new video. As you can tell from the title, this video is going to be about Omni, how to buy Omni tokens. Now look, be sure to watch the video all the way to the end. I'm going to show you exactly how to buy the Omni tokens, boy. Without further ado, let's get into the video. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to jump straight into my phone. I'm going to put the video here so you lot can see. Right, so on my little journey trying to find how to actually buy the Omni tokens, I noticed all the UK YouTubers, what they were actually using was an exchange called Ascend. Now, I signed up to Ascend, did all the things you're meant to do. But as you see on the screen, yeah, they were trying to charge a madness, 24 USDT. Basically like 40 something, like 45, maybe just under that percent of the whole transaction. So instead, man found my own place, and so I used bitforex instead. So as you can see, this is the bitforex website. Now listen, if you lot don't actually have bitforex, I'm going to show you how you can do it. As you can see there, I'm using a desktop website because it's the easiest. And there you go. You can actually sign up to the website using my referral code. Make sure you do that. It'll benefit both of us, of course. Now let's go through the video a bit more. So as you can see, I'm just showing you what you get. So you get 30% each time you refer one of your friends. So once you sign up, you can continue doing it, recommend it to your friends. Okay, and you can also see the top rated referral had 81 BTC. So the first thing you want to do is you're going to go onto assets, then you're going to click deposit. Yeah, and you want to make sure you do this on the desktop version, otherwise you're going to have issues. Okay, then next you're going to go into your Binance app. Now when you go into the Binance app, you want to get the receiving address, copy it and paste it into your Binance app. Okay, so when you want to withdraw, you're going to paste it into your Binance app as you see. Now make sure when you're selecting the network that you want to withdraw via, that you select Tron, which is TRC20. Make sure you select this, otherwise it's going to be a madness. So select that. Then we're going to do is click max to see the maximum amount that we can actually get. And then once you've done that, you click withdraw. Okay, it all makes sense. And as you see, we're only getting charged 1 USDT compared to Ascend's madness. And there you go, as you see, transactions completed. Now we can go on to the most important parts now. So you go back onto the bitforex website itself, and as you can see, I'm in my wallet now, and you can see my wallet, I have a sum total of USDT. Then what you're going to do, as you see, I'm showing you all the currencies that are available. What you're going to do, go along the line of where your USDT is, and you're going to click transfer. Alright, so now look, this is why I said to you lot, make sure you're using the desktop site. It's going to be a madness. So now once you're there, you're going to click spot account, because it's going to give you two different options, you get me. And you're going to select your spot account. It's going to say how much you're going to do, withdraw all or transfer all, whatever it says. I can't even read that properly still, I need my glasses. Anyway, then click it, confirm, boom, now we're ready to go. So now once that's done, yeah, and that's in your spot account, you can now start trading, you get me? You can start trading and all that, boy. So now we're going to go into our spot account, and as you can see, we can see our graphs. We can actually have a look at the charts there, as you see. But the only problem is if we try and buy the token now, it's not going to work. So you see, there's some things that we need to fill out first. So look, let me show you. You got to make sure all of those are green before you can go any further. Now look, boom. Man has done it for you. Well, I haven't done it for you, but I've done it on my screen, you get me? So now once you've done that, go back onto the bitforex spot account. type in OMI. Then once you type in OMI, you're going to see the graph there. I had a little flick around it. But you're going to click 100% where it says on the green. You see it, Buy OMI. Click 100%. You're going to click Buy OMI. At this point, it's going to ask you for your safety verification code, which you would have created already. You put that in, the order submitted, and now you're in the process of buying your OMI tokens. So now you might be wondering, oh, has it gone through? Because when you refresh the page, you can't really tell. But what you can do, on the bottom left there, you see it says order history. It also says open orders. So when you click open order history, you can see, you know, what I've purchased, how much tokens, and the price that I actually paid to purchase those tokens. So you know full well the transaction went straight through. So now, guys, that is exactly how you do it. That's how you buy OMI tokens. It's so simple. And once you create a bitforex account, you're gonna be off and flying. Alright, so it's been Big Dre. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe.